Welcome everyone. I am Kriti Gupta pursuing Bachelor of Business Administration under FYUGP, a student of KC Das Commerce College. I am going to present a video before you all. The topic is about management, its principle and functions. Introduction to management. What is management? A universal concept that is needed in every organization, whether it is a business organization or a non-business organization, such as hospitals, school, etc., is known as management. In the present time, with an increase in the size of complexities of modern organizations, the concept of management has gained immense importance. In a broader sense, management can be defined as a traditional approach and modern approach. Principles of management. Widely influential in the early 20th century, Henry Fayol wrote the book on management theories and work organizations, administration, industrialite and general. Henry Fayol introduced theories that could be applied to all levels of management and for any department. Organizations and managers still practice Fayol's principle of management to ensure an efficient and successful business. Henry Fayol developed the 14 principles of management towards the tail end of the Industrial Revolution. It was the perfect timing too. The world had been subjected to massive changes and a new improved working styles were the need of the moment. The 14 principles of management are division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, alignment of interest. Remuneration of employees, centralization, skill chain, order, equity, initiative, stability of personnel, and esprit de corps. Functions of management. There are 7 functions of management are as follows: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting. The first function, planning. Planning and evaluations are particularly important for these organizations because they exist to make a significant contribution to society. Planning helps us to decide what the contribution should be and how to achieve it. Evaluation enables us to judge whether we have had the impact we planned, contributed to the changing situation we wanted to change, and whether or not we achieved our goal. What is the planning process? The planning process is the systematic approach that an organization takes to define its goal and develop strategies and plans to achieve those goals. It consists of a series of steps that are designed to ensure that the organization's resources are used effectively and efficiently. Plans may be prepared either for a short period or a long period, or may be prepared by top-level management or subordinate level management. Generally, there are 7 types of plan in management. Corporate plan, tactical plan, operational plan, single-use plan, standing-use plan, specific plan, flexible plan. 2. Organizing. What is organization? Organization refers to a collection of people who are working towards a common goal and objective. In other words, it can be said that organization is a place where people assemble together and perform different sets of duties and responsibilities towards fulfilling the organizational goals. Types of organizations and their structure. There are two broad categories of organization which are discussed. Formal organization to informal organization. Formal organization. Formal organization is that type of organization structure where the authority and responsibility are clearly defined. The organization structure has a defined delegation of authority and roles and responsibilities for the members. There are several types of formal organizations based on their structure which are discussed as follows. Line organization. 2. Line and staff organization. 3. Functional organization. 4. Project organization. 5. Matrix organization. Informal organization. Informal organizations are those type of organization which do not have a defined hierarchy of authority and responsibility. In such organizations, the relationship between employees is formed based on common interest, preference, and prejudices. 3. Staffing. Staffing is a very important part of running a business or an organization. It is referred to as the process of obtaining and hiring of manpower for the various business requirements. Staffing process consists of the following steps. Number 1. Manpower planning, recruitment, selection, placement, training, development, promotion, transfer, appraisal, determination of remuneration. 4. Directing. The directing function of management is the process of motivating, communicating, instructing, leading, and supervising employees in order to ensure that they are working towards the accomplishment. The elements of directing in management. There are a few central elements to the directing function of management. These include leadership, supervision, communication, and motivation. Each one of these elements is important in its own right and plays a vital role in ensuring that work is carried out effectively and efficiently. 5. Meaning of controlling. Controlling is one of the important functions of manager. In order to see planned results from subordinates, a manager needs to exercise effective control over the activities of subordinates. 6. Reporting. What is management reporting? Management reporting keeps internal stakeholders in the know of company activities. They are among the internal reports managers and senior executives. The goal of management reporting is to measure and monitor specific performance metrics and KPIs, understand the status and health of the objective, and determine next step, establish benchmarks and goals. Ensure better communication between stakeholders, colleagues, and executives. Guide your next step. Force you to have an action plan. Monitor performance frequently. 7. Budgeting. What is budgetary management? The meaning of budgeting, also known as budgetary management, in business accounting is a process of overseeing and tracking income and expenses. Businesses often have budgets for individual departments plus an overall company budget, and managers are frequently responsible for managing the budget for their department. 2 approaches of budgetary management. Cash accounting. With this accounting method, revenue is recorded when it appears in the company's bank account and expenses when they are paid and funding has left the account. Accrual accounting. With accrual accounting, revenue is recorded when it's earned but before it's transferred to bank account. Conclusion. Hence, we have learned and discussed about management, its principle and different functions which are used in different types of organization be like social, political and economical. Tools you need use it are described below. Steve AI app, Gravity Right, in short. Thank you everyone. Here I end up my video by enclosing my details below. Kriti Gupta, BBA first semester, roll number 10, KC Das Commerce College.